Let's look inside this nickel box today. Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure again, and we got ourselves a box of nickels. And I saw through the holes here, it is a circulated box, but I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of damaged, it's kind of open, and it feels like it might be missing a roll. So I'm a little curious about it here, what it looks like. I know it's circulated, because I could tell from the holes, but I need to make sure there's 50 rolls in here, because I might have gotten gypped. It's like someone snuck a roll out the side here and left me with a $98 box. That's looking a little better now, actually. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. Let's take a look, see if we see any awesome enders. You know, I don't see any great enders. No V nickels. No Buffalo nickels. I don't get them too often. I think I've gotten a total of 2 Buffalo nickel enders, 1 proof nickel ender, and 1 silver nickel ender. And that's the only 4 enders I've gotten out of my 62 rolls I've hunted. Got a couple of nice old ones here. Got a nice discolored one right there as well. I won't check the other side. I could see from the holes it didn't look like there was anything that was a serious ender, but you never know. To any extent, I think it's time to get into this box and see what we get. As always, I'll loop you guys in if I find anything cool. Wish me luck. All right, guys, roll number 7. I'm pretty excited right now. We got a 1939 right here. And you know, I got this microscope, and if I put it under the microscope, we can look at the screen here together. And you can see it's a 39. And I'm thinking about flipping it over now and seeing what's on the back of it. Do I get a mint mark? Ah, no mint mark. Oh well. Still kind of nice getting a 1939, isn't it? All right. Let's get back to the hunt. All right, roll number 12. Got us a 1941 San Francisco. We'll take it. Let's see that S under the microscope since we got that here. Yep. 1941S. All right. That makes 2 in the 40s. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 in the 40s and a 39. I forgot I got that. Let's get back to the hunt. All right, guys. Roll number 20, and we got ourselves a 1949 Philadelphia. 2nd from the 40s to go along with 6 from the 50s and 3 2009s. Roll 23, got our first foreign coin out of the box. Looks like it's a Bahama coin. Yep. 1998. Pretty toasty, but it's got the pineapple on the front and it's a cool design, so I'll take it. Okay, guys, roll number 34, and we finally got another 40s coin. It's been a little while here. 1946 Philadelphia. Put that over here in the 40 section. Not doing too bad on the 50s, but 9. But hopefully we'll find some silver or some buffaloes. Let's keep looking. Roll number 39. Another 40s coin here. 1946 Denver. We'll take it. 4 in the 40s. All right, very next roll. Roll 40. Got another 40s coin here. 1948 Denver as well. That now makes 5 from the 40s. Starting to pick up a little bit. Be nice to get some older Jeffersons or even some buffaloes, but not too many rolls left, so let's keep our fingers crossed. Roll 41. Another 40s coin. 1946 Philadelphia. All right. It's good to see the 40s starting to stack up. Hopefully there's some more in there. Roll 44. Another 40s coin here. 1940 Denver. We'll take it. Our oldest one besides the 39 we got here. Let's keep looking. All right, guys, very next roll. Roll 45. Another 40s coin. 1940. We'll take that again. It's like it's making a little rally for me, but no silver yet, no buffaloes. Roll 46, guys, in the second half of this box is really starting to heat up. Look what I just found. I don't know how I missed it on the edge. Should have saw the green toning, but I opened the coin roll and it was like the second coin down. We've got a Philadelphia silver war nickel, 1945. We'll take it. Put it down here with the special find. Sorry. Roll 47, guys. Just laid the roll out right now, and towards the back, a 1947 caught my eye. 1947, Denver. We'll take it. Roll 48. In 1949, Philadelphia. Holy cow, this box really got hot here at the end. All right, guys, finished another roll of nickels here. Got a bunch of discards, a little bit in the 60s that I'll go through for the best shaped ones. Got 8 2009s, a Bahamian coin. We ended up getting 10 in the 50s, and not too bad of years. 2 53s and a 56, 2 57s, and 5 59s. We ended up also getting 10 in the 40s. 2 40s and a 41. 3 in the 47 year. I'm sorry, 3 1946s, a 47, a 48, and 2 49s. We also got a 1939 and a 1945 Philadelphia war nickel. 35% silver. Hope you guys enjoyed this hunt with me. The back half of that box really paid off. Had the front half been just as good as the back half, we would have had a really solid box of Early Jeffersons. Still not a bad hunt, just about average overall. I guess the silver kind of made it a little above average, but still a fun hunt nonetheless. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.